Yes. Good day, viewer. How na dey, my people? E get one matter where I want to talk about. Like, my name na Marcus Ekure, and for this, my Ogbonge TV program, where they call session Moments with Marcus Ekure, we dey talk about things where we say, we dey pass message, we reflect different things where they go wrong for our communities, where they go wrong for our society, where they go wrong for Nigeria. You see, this video where they come reach you so, are they for where they call River Ethiopia? Now they are they live, they reach you so. Are they for the city of Abraka, for Delta Central, for Delta State, Nigeria? He get this matter where they pay me well, and as he be now the matter don't tie rapper. What be this matter? This house rent matter for Abraka. This na Abraka before we be say house rent not be issue. We be say self-contained. You fit get self-contained for 30,000. Self-contained for 35,000. You fit get 2-bedroom flat for 60,000, for 80,000. But now, as we dey talk, the thing don dey rise since. As at this morning, now somebody dey tell me now say he go rent 2-bedroom. Now they tell am 900,000. Wetin? The person die. Now like this we go there. 900,000 for 2-bedroom flats. The another woman say that one even good. Say some now 1 million. Waiting now. Even the Abuja and Lagos where people even there so Ikoyi and all that. You still get houses where see cheap when never reach that amount of money. Una see what we dey talk about good governance, good leadership. If we get better leaders on ground, government should step into this matter because that's the only way we can curtail it. But in a situation where we say we get government where they irresponsible and irresponsive, they don't understand the plight of the people. This did not make sense like that now. A landlord just they do what it concern them. Not only be landlord, other people not get houses. Because if they talk this matter now, some people go they go who attack me because they know say they get house for Abraka. Waiting now. When we say sin, if they go church every Sunday, they go pray, they go take communion. And your mind not clear. Landlord will build house. You can't they carry rent because people they increase rent. You can't they increase rent anyhow. For this same Abraka, I know somebody will be say get house for this Abraka. He never collect rent for the past 10 years for 1 naira from the house. Waiting now. You see, many people go make hellfire, they're not go heaven. And our government need to step into this matter. Because the matter, it don't pass, be careful. Government need to come in, set target, set limit for all these things. Say 2-bedroom flat, make it not pass also amount of money. Because at this point, government need to step in. We know say, yes, somebody go talk inflation. This one they talk so. Price of other things, they rise. Price of, waiting now. Now you take give 2-bedroom flat for 1 million. And I will still talk to all these our Yahoo boys. On our way, they spoil everything for people. So, me on a no say, on a don't test poverty. And on a know how poverty be. When they do things, yaga. So, you want buy only one polo. Polo, we're not supposed to pass 1.5. You go, they pay 50,000. You want sure say you get money. That money not going to remain forever. You don't know. Because money when you get wrongly, if they grow wings, you go fly. You they use that cause poverty to increase the poor, to make poor people not feel survive. Now see education self, that's another matter for another day. School fees, every day, they don't increase school fees now. Now, no say government schools, poor people not feel send their children to school again. All these kind of things, so if we not do something about us, something go do also, I beg at the verse.